Listen up, entrepreneurs and creators, Facebook Reels is where it's at. Forget boring stock photos. It's time for short, captivating videos. This is your chance to make serious money, and I'm here to show you how. We're diving deep into the world of Facebook Reels monetization. Get ready to turn your creativity into cold, hard cash. You already know Facebook is huge, right? Billions of active users are hungry for content. Your Reels can tap into this massive audience. This means more views, more engagement, and ultimately, more money in your pocket. It's time to unlock the secrets of Facebook Reels monetization. This isn't just about likes and follows. This is about building a brand and securing the bag. Whether you're a seasoned influencer or just starting, this guide is your roadmap to success. So grab your phone, hit record, and let's get started. Monetizing your Facebook Reels isn't rocket science. Facebook offers several powerful avenues to turn those views into dollars. We're talking about in-stream ads, fan support, paid partnerships, and more. The best part? You get to choose the methods that align with your brand and audience. First up, in-stream ads. Imagine getting paid every time someone watches your reel. That's the power of in-stream ads. We'll dive deeper into this later. Next, let's talk about fan support. Your loyal fans become your patrons, supporting your creativity directly. And then there are paid partnerships. Team up with brands you love and get paid to showcase their products or services. But hold on, it gets even better. Facebook is constantly evolving, always introducing new features and monetization options. This means more opportunities for you to cash in on your creativity. The key is to stay informed, experiment, and find what works best for you. Let's talk about in-stream ads, your ticket to passive income on Facebook Reels. Imagine turning your creativity into cash flow. It's like this. You create awesome content, something that resonates with your audience and keeps them engaged. Facebook rewards you with a cut of the ad revenue. The more engaging your content, the better the rewards. Simple, right? But here's the kicker. It's not just about creating content. To unlock this goldmine, you need to meet certain eligibility requirements. It's like a game with levels you need to pass. First things first, you need a decent following. Building a loyal audience is key. Think 10,000 or more engaged followers. These are the people who will watch, like, and share your content. Why? Advertisers love a captive audience. The more engaged your followers, the more attractive you are to advertisers. Next up, you need consistent views. Your content should be something people want to watch over and over. Aim for at least 600,000 minutes of watch time within the last 60 days. That's a lot of eyeballs on your content, but it's achievable with consistent effort. And of course, you need to play by the rules. Facebook has guidelines you must follow. Facebook has strict policies against harmful or misleading content. Keep it clean and honest. Once you're eligible, the money starts rolling in. Your hard work pays off. Facebook's algorithm does the heavy lifting, matching relevant ads to your content. It's like having a personal assistant. You don't have to lift a finger, just keep creating. The more views you get, the more money you make. It's that simple, the sky's the limit. So focus on creating high-quality, engaging reels that keep your audience coming back for more. Your creativity is your currency. Section 4, Fan Support. Turn your passion into profit. Let's talk about turning your passion into profit with fan support on Facebook Reels. Whether you're a content creator, an artist, or just someone with a unique talent, Facebook Reels offers you the opportunity to monetize your creativity. Your fans are your biggest supporters, right? They follow you, engage with your content, and share it with their friends. Now, they can put their money where their likes are. This means they can financially support you while enjoying your content. Facebook offers several tools to monetize your most loyal fans. First up, fan subscriptions. This feature allows your fans to subscribe to your content for a monthly fee. This is like a VIP club for your top supporters. They get access to exclusive content that isn't available to your regular followers. They pay a monthly fee for exclusive content, badges, and other perks. It's a win-win. Your fans feel special, and you get a steady income. They get premium access, and you get a recurring revenue stream. This can be a game changer for your financial stability. Next, we have fan badges. These are special icons that fans can purchase to show their support. Fans purchase badges during your live streams to stand out from the crowd. It's a great way for them to get noticed, and for you to recognize your top supporters. It's a fun way for them to show their support, and for you to earn some extra cash. The more interactive your live streams, the more badges you can sell. And let's not forget about stars. Fans can purchase and send you stars during live streams. Each star translates to a small payment from Facebook to you. The more stars you receive, the more money you make. It's a simple yet effective way to monetize your live content. It's a great way to monetize your live content and interact with your fans in real time. So start leveraging these tools and turn your passion into profit today. Section 5, Paid Partnerships. Brand deals for real money moves. Paid partnerships are where it's at. This is where your influence can really start to pay off. This is your chance to collaborate with brands you love and get paid to showcase their products or services. Imagine getting your favorite gadgets, fashion items, or even travel experiences, all while earning money. It's a win-win situation. Brands get access to your engaged audience, and you get to monetize your influence. Your followers trust your recommendations, making it a powerful marketing tool for brands. But here's the key: authenticity is everything. Partner with brands that align with your values and resonate with your audience. This ensures that your promotions feel genuine and trustworthy. Don't just promote anything for a quick buck. Your followers can spot a fake from a mile away. Authenticity builds long-term trust and loyalty with your audience. Instead, focus on creating genuine, engaging content that feels natural and authentic to your brand. This will not only attract more followers but also more lucrative brand deals. When done right, paid partnerships can be a lucrative revenue stream. You can turn your passion into a profitable business. Brands are willing to pay top dollar for creators who can deliver results. They are looking for influencers who can drive engagement and sales. So, how do you land those sweet brand deals? Start by building a strong personal brand and growing your following. Consistency and quality content are key. Showcase your creativity, engagement, and reach. Highlight your unique style and the value you bring to potential brand partners. Section 6. Beyond Facebook, a look at TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Facebook Reels isn't the only game in town. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube offer their own monetization programs for short-form video content. Let's break it down. TikTok, the short-form video king, boasts a massive, highly engaged audience. Their creator fund rewards creators based on video views and engagement. Instagram Reels, Facebook's younger sibling, offers similar monetization options including in-stream ads and badges. And then there's YouTube Shorts, YouTube's answer to TikTok. They recently launched a Shorts fund to incentivize creators. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses. The key is to experiment, find what works best for you, and diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different platforms, see where your content resonates, and maximize your earning potential. Section 7. Ready, set, monetize. Your real success starts now. There you have it. You're now armed with the knowledge and tools to monetize your Facebook Reels like a pro. Remember, consistency is key. Post regularly, engage with your audience, and always strive to create high-quality content that provides value. Don't be afraid to experiment with different monetization methods and find what works best for you. The world of social media is constantly evolving, so stay informed, adapt, and never stop learning new strategies. Now go out there, create amazing content, and turn your passion into profit. The journey is just beginning.